The woman frozen inside the ice block was still alive. A doctor shone a flashlight into her eyes and discovered her pupils were reacting to light. Everyone immediately activated all available heating equipment to accelerate the ice's melting. The entire team was astounded. They were in Antarctica, and this woman had been excavated from beneath the Antarctic ice sheet, preserved for 1,000,000 years. Once the ice melted, they carefully lifted her out and cut away the fur garments she wore, preparing to conduct a full-body examination. Strangely, her body showed no signs of frostbite, only some external injuries on her arms. As they administered oxygen, her body temperature began gradually rising, and her blood pressure and pulse slowly returned to normal. Suddenly, the woman blinked. Remarkably, she had regained consciousness. When she fully awoke, the doctor greeted her. Though she couldn't understand what he was saying, she kept mimicking and learning. The doctor then noticed that the wounds on her arms had completely healed. He found this absolutely extraordinary. Further examination revealed something even more astonishing. The woman's brainwave patterns closely resembled those of ancient human species. However, she wasn't from 1,000,000 years ago. She was from 50 million years in the past. Her evolutionary path had diverged entirely from modern humans. She appeared to be some kind of superhuman. Just then, the doctor attending to the ancient woman collapsed. After examining him, the other doctors discovered he'd been infected with some kind of virus. They suspected the virus originated from the ancient woman, and modern humans had absolutely no immunity to it. Soon, more and more people at the base fell ill. Outside, a blizzard raged, and weather conditions became severe. All transportation was completely cut off. They could only rely on themselves now. Jack began speaking aloud to the ancient woman about everyone's condition. Astonishingly, she understood. Jack was amazed at how quickly she'd learned human language. The woman felt deeply guilty, knowing everyone had fallen ill because of her. Her remorse revealed her kind nature. At that moment, the colonel brought back a team member suffering from severe frostbite. As the doctor prepared emergency treatment, the ancient woman approached and placed her hand on the injured person's chest, closing her eyes tightly as if concentrating all her effort on healing him. Miraculously, the injured man regained consciousness and his frostbite completely vanished. Everyone watched in disbelief. After healing him, the woman collapsed from exhaustion. When she awoke, she continued healing several more people, but with each person she treated, she grew weaker. Laboratory analysis of her blood revealed her white blood cell count was rapidly declining. At this rate, she wouldn't survive much longer. The doctor urged her to rest thoroughly, but she rendered her attending physician unconscious and proceeded to cure everyone who had fallen ill because of her. Finally, she collapsed to the ground, utterly exhausted. After the blizzard passed, they rushed her to the hospital. When she awoke, Jack expressed his gratitude and hoped to understand the secrets behind her abilities. By this time, she had learned to speak simple human language, but her body was far too weak. In the end, she whispered an apology to Jack, and then, taking her secrets with her, she passed away.